From the National Weather Service in Gaylord, Michigan, welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and east upper Michigan. This briefing was last updated around 5 p.m. Thursday, April 25th, 2013. Looking at the current weather map, it shows an area of fairly weak low pressure which is traversing the Great Lakes along with an associated cold front. It was this frontal boundary which brought the wintry rain and snow mix throughout the day today across northern Michigan. However, despite the very winter-like weather hanging on, a much bigger improvement is on its way as early as tonight, with high pressure over parts of Iowa that will settle into the Great Lakes, bringing clearing skies, light winds, but still continued chilly temperatures. Now for the weather map for Friday, it will show a warm front that will be approaching the region. Along and ahead of the front, we will see another chance of showers across northern Michigan during the day. However, as the front passes, we will see much warmer conditions really begin to filter in during the day on Friday, much more noticeable on Saturday and into Sunday, with temperatures climbing at least well into the 60s with even a few 70-degree readings possible thanks to strong brisk southerly winds. Our next chance of any appreciable precipitation will come on Monday as a weak cold front tries to dive into the area. Again, not looking at any heavy rain with this frontal boundary, and the chances of rainfall look quite low at this time. This front will have a hard time clearing the area, and in fact it might lift back northward and retreat as a warm front into the day on Tuesday, which will signal a fairly warm day with temperatures fairly confident at this point to get at least well into the 60s, if not lower to even possibly middle 70s. So to sum up the hazards and forecast really for tonight, decreasing clouds with lows ranging anywhere from around 25 to 30 across northern Michigan. We are in a relatively benign pattern, so we do not have any hazards associated with storms, flooding, certainly not winter weather, hopefully not at this point, marine weather, or winds. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing. We thank you for listening in. Our next one is scheduled around 4 to 5 a.m. for tomorrow morning. And don't forget to find us on Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube.